In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use the OCR function and settle it through AI bank reconciliation. Under the Bills tab, click New. From here, you can create and upload a bill or a debit note. Now let's upload a bill. Click Process Files, and the system will analyze it within seconds. Next, click Import in the top right corner, then click Continue Import on your file to view all the detected details. You can choose and create items detected by the AI, then click Import Bill to proceed. Refresh the page and click on the imported file to open it. Then click Submit for approval, followed by Approve. Next, head over to the Bank Accounts tab. Select your payment account. The AI will automatically map the bank transaction to the corresponding bill. Verify that the mapping is correct, then click Accept to confirm. Your bill is now marked as paid. To verify that the bill has been settled successfully, head over to Expenses. Click on Bills, and you will see that the bill status has been updated to paid. And that's how simple it is to upload bills with OCR and settle them with AI-powered bank reconciliation.